morning everyone, how are we all doing? We're on our way down to do that job that I couldn't do yesterday, so it's just an internal deadlock for a guy on, I think it's a bedroom door. So yeah, we're going to do that. I've got another tiny little job to do after that. We're going to meet a mate for a coffee. It's another good day, I tell you. Very fresh, but again, not a cloud in the sky. It's beautiful again. I love it like this. Everyone just seems happier, don't they, when the sun's out? So much nicer. But anyway, yeah, let's get to this job and yeah, we'll run through this deadlock. Guys, we're about to have a detour. This guy called Ronald just called me. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Cheers, thank you. No, thank you. Lovely, thanks a lot. Cheers, see you. Naughty, naughty. Here, guys, is we're sticking one of these, just a box standard 3-lever deadlock on here. Basically, he's got a huge dog, almost comes up to the size of this handle, and he keeps getting out at 3 o'clock in the morning and going to jump on everyone's bed and waking them up. So we're just putting a lock on here just to prevent the dog being able to get out, really. We're going to go there, it's quite close. That's the top of the actual faceplate, so it's quite close to that, but that's it all marked out all the way around, so we get this cut out now. In. Oh, so the keyhole, so get the escutcheon on next and then we'll do the bit on the front. Customers also asked that I have a look at their front door as well. So it's a composite door and it seems to have dropped. So when you open the door, listen to this. That's actually, that noise is what's catching on. Down there, so I've got to lift it up. Here's the dog. This is the one that can escape. Right, that's that sorted. We had to adjust the hinges on this side, but lifted the whole door up. No more scraping. Lovely. Well, that was a nice job. Lovely couple as well. So yeah, so we did the 3-lever deadlock.
In half a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto High Street.
Yeah, we did the 3-lever deadlock, and then he asked me to look at his front door because it was catching on the bottom. Composite door, so we did some adjustments on that as well, and got that all working. And he's also asked me now to order him a high security cylinder for the door. He's basically only lived in that house for a couple of weeks, so he wants the lock change, so that's good. So we'll get that ordered today, pop back down there, probably Thursday. Right, I'm on my way back to Hove now, and the guy wants a price for another 3-lever deadlock, I believe, but he lives in a flat, so for fire safety I'm going to advise that he doesn't go for a 3-lever. In fact, he goes for a thumb turn deadlock.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto High Street.
In this sort of situation, I believe he's in a flat. I'm pretty sure he's in a flat, so yeah, and it's to his door, so he needs to be able to get out in an emergency. If there was a fire anywhere in the building, he needs to be able to get out quick. So I think it's going to be a thumb turn. Right.
In 5.2 miles, turn left onto Lansdowne Place.
Easy today, ain't she? Oh, and that latte. Do you know what? I haven't had a McDonald's, right, for ages, and that just... I can't let it become a habit though. But yeah, needed that this morning. Right, so I'm going to fit this Euro deadlock. Euro cylinder or thumb turn. It's in the guy's flat, so I'm going to fit it right, that's just a little bit low on this one, so we're going to fit the deadlock a little bit higher, sort of. Oh, yeah. Right, there's this one all marked up, both sides. Let's cut it out. Right, here we go, guys. So, I'll show you. Right, another couple of jobs taken care of, so I've got nothing booked in actually for the rest of the afternoon, so back home, cup of tea, wait for the phone to ring, see what we get. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and obviously please remember to like and subscribe, really appreciate it, and see you next time. Cheers, guys. We're in the van. Last job of the day. Got a couple of house keys. Nothing major. Right, so we're just going to decode this key first. So, hang on, let's go back up to the main menu. Right, so key duplication, universal, single-sided, confirm. Got the M4 drawer on there. Key decode. There we go. Right, so we've got to put blank key in there. I'm not going to do this. Trying to film it because I need to turns really, I think. Quick look. I might look at that. Put the guide in there. Blank key. Oops. Not the easiest of things to do. With one hand. Yeah, that's it. Alright. There we go. How does it compare with that one? Oh. Blank for the up one. Right. Same again. That in there. Guide in there, up to the shoulder. Key decode. Lovely. Right. Have a tricky bit. That. In there like that. Is that straight? Yep. Beautiful. Up to cut. Shut the lid. It should be a lot. Unfortunately, I'm not able to try the keys, so if they don't work, I'll have to bring them back. There you go. Right, well, there we have it. 2 new keys. Now I'm done.